Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we want to talk about how to successfully set up a YouTube channel. The last time we spoke about how to create it, you can watch the video here. So moving on, this is the page. This is your YouTube channel. Assuming you have created your YouTube channel, this is what it will look like with it without the profile picture. So for you to set up your interface so that when people come to your YouTube, your channel, they're able to get some information, some useful information. It will not be nice that they come to your page and they find it blank. Most people do not want to associate with such pages or such channels. So to get started, just click here. So since yours is a virgin channel, when I say virgin channel, you just created it from scratch and nothing has been uploaded. So just click here. This will be empty on your own. I mean, the space for the profile picture is going to be empty because you have obviously not included any profile picture. So you just click on it, and here it takes you to this place. Then you're going to click on view channel. Just click on view channel right here. So when you click on view channel, it is going to take you down to this place. This is the profile, your profile, right? So here, what we want to do is to customize. We want to customize our profile picture, our banner, our channel's banner, and do a whole lot of things. So to get started, just click on customize. But before we go ahead, I want to say something. On YouTube, you have four different forms of content you can create to attract your audience, to attract subscribers, right? They are videos. These are long form videos. Then you have the shorts, you have the live video, and you have the community. So the community kind of post is where you are able to post pictures, just where you have to catch up with your subscribers or your community members. Then the live, just like you already know, where you go live. But I'm going to talk about this kind of posting or this kind of videos in another video, right? So just to introduce you to them. So to get started in our topic of today, to customize your channel, just click on customize channel, right? When you do this, it is going to take you ahead to the next page where you are going to do a whole lot of work. So first off, you have to start by updating your profile picture. It is very, very important. Use your picture. Possibly, if you have the money, you can take a studio picture. If not, just use your phone to take a very good picture of yourself that markets you, that shows. Just know that you are a brand, that people want to see what this brand looks like. So just make sure it is as good as possible. When you're done with uploading your profile picture, you have to go down. So you have, before your profile picture, you're going to, let me show you. You see here, I have a banner up here and I have my profile picture. So I'll go back here. So before the profile picture, I have to update the banner. So this banner, for the best result on all devices, you have to use an image that is at least 2048 by 1152 pixels and 6 MB or less. So I would advise that when you want to set up or customize your channel, you do this using a PC. Yes, there is only so much you can do with the phone, but with a PC, you can do a whole lot more. So you can create your channel banner image using Canva. Canva is a great tool that you're going to use to create your banner image. Then when you're done with it, you can come here to upload it. So me, I already have one, but in case I want to change it, I'll just click on change and it asks me to upload the next image that I want to use as my banner. But in this case, I do not want to do that. So when I am done, I upload my profile picture. Just by just clicking here, you view your, or you change, or you update whatever you're going to update your profile picture here. Then when you're done, you see it here. Okay, I can easily remove this and replace with another one. Then when you're done, you're also going to include the name you want people to know you with. When people come to your page or when people search for your channel. What name do you want them? So you have to choose a name, and this name you can only change twice in 14 days, right? So that means you can change once in every 7 days or thereabout, or just choose a name that is unique, that is easy to remember, that people can easily search for and find you. Then you choose a handle. So a handle is more like your ads. When people type ads, Rosemiro, what comes up? You have to choose something that is simple as well. And the good thing is that when you choose a handle, they go ahead to search. So imagine now, right now, let's say I change something here. I change this R. See, it's searching. See here, it's searched. It's still telling me that despite the fact that I have taken out R, the other remaining one is still available. So I would have to return the R because it is Rosamiro. So it's still telling me that it is available. So if you choose a handle that is not available, then it will bring an error message here that says this handle is not available. You have to go for the best one. So, but if you're unable to find one for yourself, YouTube automatically assigns you a handle, right? And I believe you would like this. When you're prepared, you can now change it. Then you go ahead to the description. So this description is basically what you do, what your channel is all about, right? A lot of people are interested in your description. They want to know, is this person a person I want to stick with, or should I just move on to the next page? So I learned something here that it is very important. The first line of your description matters a lot, because on your profile proper, the first line usually shows. The other things following suit may not show. So it is very important that you use something that serves as a hook to hold your audience, to make them want to read down to see who you are and what you do. And just in case you don't know how to write a proper description, you can go to Chat GPT or Copilot or whatever AI tool you use, type and ask them, prompt AI to give you the best description for your channel. Tell them what your channel is all about, what do you talk about, what are you into. Just give it the right prompt on what you want, and it will go ahead, excuse me, and it will go ahead to give you the best description, and you go ahead and input it here and you're good. So you can also add your languages. If you have any language or multiple languages, you can include it here. Then this is your channel URL. So what this means is that whenever you copy this channel URL and give to anybody, just with a click, the person gets to your profile. So in case you're trying to invite someone over to your channel and the person is saying, where is your channel URL, you can easily copy it here. So the good thing is that you can even customize this. You can, yeah, you can actually customize, but let's talk about it in another video. So here you find links. So you have to update this links is basically, if you have a blog, if you're running a blog, if there's any product you want to promote, if there is any affiliate link you want to promote, this is an avenue for you to actually promote them. So when you put this, they will be visible on your channel profile, on your about page. So anybody that visits your profile, your channel profile, they're going to find whatever link you incorporate there. So right here, you're just going to find my blog, my rosemarywosu.blogspot.com, right? So you can add as many links as you want. So you have to also include your contact information, which is more like your email address. So if any of your subscribers or community member wants to reach out to you regarding anything, business inquiry, partnership, collaborations, they can easily email you via the email address. Then let's also talk about the watermark. So the video watermark, what it does is that if you create a watermark right now, say this, it says an image that is 150 by 150 pixels and is that is recommended, use a PNG, GIF, no animations or less. It has to be 1 MB or less. So when you upload this watermark, more like a design, you can also get it done on Canva, right? So when you get it, and you upload it here, it stays anytime you make a video. So you're also going to choose where you want this thing placed. So let's say, for instance, I have one that I created on Canva yesterday. So Rosemary. So let's say I click on done. So it will ask me the display time. When do I want this watermark to come up on my video? Is it at the end of the video, or should I have a custom time? Like I want it 2 minutes into the video, 30 seconds into the video, or 2 seconds, just you get. So I'll have to, or if I want it to show in the entire video. So whatever I said here is what is going to display on my video. So that way I don't need to always worry or bother about watermarking my my videos, you get, because automatically they are here. Anytime I post a video, it comes up. So the essence of this is that there are people who are just out there to take your videos without even giving credits, right? So if you don't guard, especially if you're just starting up, some of those big brands may just pick up your video and there's nothing you can do about it. And worst case, some of them go ahead to claim it, to lay what is it called, copyright ownership on it, and you start getting restricted for your own video, right? So it is very important you do this. So to go ahead, you have to go to your home tab. Here there's a whole lot more. If you want to customize your page in such a way that when people come, they see things on your page, on your channel, you get, like you want to add a channel trailer. A channel trailer is just what you want your audience to see the moment they come to your channel. So your channel trailer, anything, you can just choose one of these things. Spotlight for returning subscribe, depending on the kind of content you create, right? Then for you, this is, you see that it is not highlighted for me because I do not have enough videos on this particular channel, right? So there is a list of things that you can choose from. You can even decide to add a playlist or a popular video. So anytime anybody comes, or if there is a featured channel like that you are partnering with or you are trying to promote, people can always see it whenever they come online. So you just basically update customize your channel in such a way that when people come there, they are interested in staying behind, right? They want to know you, they want to get to know you. And it starts from the kind of profile picture you update, or you upload rather, and the kind of banner, your channel banner, and also your channel description is more like your bio. Like when people go through this, they say, yes, I want to stay behind with this person or not, right? So I believe with this, I have been able to touch everything about channel customization. Next, we're going to go into content properly, the kinds of content and how to make them, how to thrive generally on YouTube. I hope this added value to you. If it did, kindly give us a subscribe, leave a comment, and share this to your friends. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.